dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
PDP governors demand state police, says Nigeria almost becoming Venezuela. But before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending news happening on social media. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in our comment section. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, feel relaxed, enjoy, and stay connected. Governors elected on the platform of the People Democratic Party (PDP) on Monday restated their positions on state policing as the solution to the country's worsening security situation. The opposition governors also decried the free fall of the naira and its attendant consequences. They asked that the federal government economy team should find appropriate solution to the challenge. The chairman of the forum, Governor Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, briefed journalists after a meeting of the governors in Abuja. He decried the high cost of living in the country and the value of naira, saying they are almost on the road to Venezuela, a country facing extreme economic and security hardship. The meeting reviewed the state of the nation, and they noted the hardship being faced by Nigeria as a result of economic and security challenges facing the nation. The forum consequently urged the federal government to, as a matter of urgency, embark on initiatives involving all the sub-nation governments to bring a last solution to the crisis. And they have reiterated their call for the state police with appropriate safeguards to avoid any abuse or overreach by any chair of government. That the forum decried the falling of value of the naira, and they requested the monetary and fiscal authorities to find appropriate solutions. Right now, they said they have been partnering even as opposition to make sure that they don't bring any distraction, but certainly the monetary policies and the economic policies rest here, and they all know the majority of Nigerians live in the state, and so they are doing so much across party lines on a bi-personal basis within the Nigeria governance, the forum, and with the National Economic Council to make sure that they cushion the effect of some of these policies that have far-reaching consequences on their people. That they supported the removal of subsidy, but they thought there were safeguards, and now they believe that if they took collective decisions, they should go by it. By certainly, they have seen that it is free fall for the naira, and the cost of living is going high. So they are almost on the road to Venezuela. Governors are demanding state policing for their selfish interests. I want to ask you a question. Why state policing in Nigeria is such a bad idea? Why state policing in Nigeria is such a bad idea? If it should come to life, the governor will misuse it, especially during elections. That is the truth. Not just elections, but they will use them for intimidations, strip people of their rights. Most of the people who will work for them, mostly ex-convicts, whom after some of their tenures become a thorn in the flesh of its citizen. What Borno State is suffering today that escalating to the entire north, that is the same thing. So I thought the president was pressurizing Obasanjo then. Why he was a governor asking for state police, so why has he not implemented the same now that he's in charge? Because I think why he was pushing Obasanjo then for state policing was for his own selfish interest, to ruthlessly deal with his opponents in Lagos and maintain dominance of the state totally. But right now, he don't want to even give a hit to that. Fuel subsidy that was removed inclined hardship and inflation. So if they can reverse their decision, it will normalize our economy. As it stands now, all Nigerians want their state police responsible for their security, not federal. Even local government must have their own security outfits. Look at what is just happening. When governor speaks on national issues, they give us, a belief that our problem occurs at the federal, and that they have performed so well. The faults are all ours. I tend to ask, how many states can boast of 100 acres of farm under cultivation? In the early 60s, Chief Obafemi Awolowo, blessed memory, put thousands of hectares into growing cash crop, set up over 30 farm settlements across the western Nigeria. Odo has one of the biggest farm settlements in the country. Today, farm settlements have all collapsed. The farmers are not supported by the state. The security situation in Nigeria are largely economy. The state should revamp farms, support youth to go back to farming, provide incentives to businesses, reduce tax and levy burdens on small businesses, set up community securities monitoring agencies to support established policing system, build technical colleges to teach youth as artisans. Maybe later they can replace thousands of non-Nigerians that currently dominate that space. States have so many things to do. Looking at the Center for Solution wouldn't help. Our state should be functional. If they all agree on state police, then they have to restructure the country to make everything work together. We need a federal structure whereby every region could harness their resources for their development and advancement. Constitutional reforms or restructuring will enable adequate funding, not only state police, but also territorial armed forces. Because right now, you guys are demanding for state police. Meanwhile, the citizens don't have. Nigerians are beginning to think that these governors are fueling security, so they can get state police. These governors are the country's problem. Just look at the local government allocation that comes through them. They will give them stipend after salary. They should stop calling other countries and fix their own country first. Not only state police, we need to restructure. At least Venezuela has steady electricity for now. But what about Nigerians? We don't have any. Venezuela is a paradise compared to Nigerians. No law in this country. People will do whatever they want without caring for others, especially the rich ones, which are the majority with their big cars but with poor mentalities. The police only work for them. They don't even care about the citizens. Why should we as a nation be playing politics with the security of lives and properties of our citizens? What the importance of this nation and her people should be at the front burner always. I heard that when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was the governor of Lagos State, that he was advocating for state police. Now he's the president. He can't even make that happen. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your awareness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.